Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Instagram feed to your Shopify store, step by step. If you want to create a visually engaging storefront and show off your latest Instagram post directly on your shop's homepage, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly connect your Instagram with Shopify, helping boost your brand's presence and encouraging more interaction from your visitors. All right, let's dive right in together. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll notice a search bar at the top. This is your best friend for finding the apps and features you need. Go ahead and type InstaFeed into that search bar. InstaFeed is a highly rated app made specifically for integrating Instagram with Shopify, so it's a solid choice. Once the app pops up in the results, just click on it to open the app page. Don't rush here. Take a moment to scan through the overview if you're curious about the features. But when you're ready, hit the Install button. Installation itself is pretty quick, but depending on your internet connection, it might take a few seconds. No worries if you see a brief loading screen. Once installed, InstaFeed will ask you to connect your Instagram account. This is a crucial step. Connecting the right Instagram ensures your feed displays your actual content, not someone else's. So click on Connect with Instagram, and you'll be taken to Instagram's official authorization page. Here's where you'll need to log in and grant the app permission to access your account. Sometimes Instagram will pop up a confirmation screen. Just review what you're allowing and proceed with granting access. You might see options like Allow or Confirm. Go ahead and click through, making sure you recognize the account you're connecting. After you're connected, you'll be taken back to InstaFeed's customization page. This is where the magic happens. The options you see, feed title, post space, on post click actions, layout, configuration, rows, and columns all work together to tailor how your Instagram feed appears on your site. For example, setting a feed title adds an eye-catching heading to your feed, like Latest on Instagram or Shop Our Insta. Don't skip the post spacing. Adjusting this lets you create a clean grid or a more collage-style look. The on-post click feature is a little detail, but it matters. You can set posts to open larger, link to your Instagram, or even display product details if you want that direct connection. With layout and configuration, imagine this as arranging photos on a wall. You'll choose how many rows and columns you want, like 3 rows and 4 columns, for a neat grid effect. Don't worry if you aren't sure what to pick. You can always preview these settings and adjust them until your feed fits your homepage perfectly. If you've just started your Instagram, maybe keep the rows minimal for now. Remember, this step is all about making it look right for your store. So take your time, click through options, and visualize it. Once you're satisfied with all your choices, feed title, spacing, layout, everything, go ahead and click Save Feed. This saves all the customization you've done so far. Next is the final touch, adding InstaFeed to your theme homepage. InstaFeed will prompt you here, so click the Add InstaFeed to your theme homepage button. This action physically places your newly created feed on your store's main page, making it visible to every visitor. Sometimes you'll get a preview or a confirmation window. Just double-check everything looks how you want before wrapping up. And that's it. Your Instagram posts should now appear right on your Shopify homepage, keeping content fresh and giving your visitors a glimpse into your social side. If it doesn't show up instantly, refresh the page or check your theme settings. Sometimes a small tweak is needed, but that's normal. If this walkthrough helped, please hit the like button. Drop a comment if you have any questions, get stuck during the setup, or just want to share your experience. I'm happy to help. And if you want more practical Shopify and social media tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Good luck with your store, and I'll see you in the next video.